Well, it's good to be back in the shed, and sorry I've been away so long, but what a strange start to the year this has been. We've had some really good things happen to us, me and Mrs. Summerhouse. It's been great, but we've also had some really bad things happen, such as life. We've had some family stuff going on, and unexpected car expenses, but nothing too heavy. And sadly, we lost our amazing cat, Ruby. Bye, Roo. And it was a bit of a landmark birthday for me. I did the big 60 the other day, and that was good. I had some good fun there. And on top of that, I've been really busy. The good news is I've been working on quite a few videos at the moment, partly done in the background. So I just thought I'd do a quick one for this one. Still doing well, keeping off the nasty cigarettes. Hopefully that's behind me now. And while I was out the other day, I seen this and decided to pick it up. Now, I'm not a fan of disposables, as you know, because of all the trash and everything they generate, and I do think it's quite wasteful. But this was an absolute little bargain. Cost me £2.49 from Home Bargains, which is a bargain. So we thought we'd pick it up and show you what it's all about in case you're thinking of getting one. Right, so just what do we have here? So it's an Elfbar Crystal CR600, and it's a disposable pod, 20 milligrams stroke milliliters, whatever that means. Product contains nicotine, which is highly addictive substances. You know, yeah, this is why we have the problem. You've got your usual scratch and sniff, as I call it, to make sure it's an authentic one. And this one is sour red, which I presume to be a berry flavour. So, let's open the box, see what's in here. Yeah, nothing else in there. There's no charging cable required because this is a disposable. That can go in the cardboard recycling. Put that over there for later. Not too sure about these things. I like plasticky, foily things, so might just put that in the normal trash. So the device is in here, and we'll just tear that open. There's a little instruction booklet. Oh, that's nice. Smell nice, this. Wow. It's like somebody sprayed air freshener in here. I'll put that in the bin. There's a little stopper in the top to stop anything getting down there while it's wrapped up in the package that it comes in. Yeah. Is that really needed? It's not like it's going to leak, is it? No leakage there. So we'll put that in with the trash. So let's see what this little booklet has got. The writing's tiny. I've got no chance of reading that whatsoever. But I suppose they have to put these things in with all the, you know, health and safety things. Yeah, it's all pretty standard stuff. That's paper, so that could go in the recycling as well. Put that over there with the cardboard stuff. So yeah. What was that? Anyway. We have quite a neat little device, like a chromy, metallic-y red colour. It's very plasticky. There's a little thing at the bottom. I presume that's the air intake. Open, so we take that off. Put that in the trash. This isn't too bad trash-wise so far. There's not been a lot of stuff. So yeah, conforms to Europe. Oh dear. European standards or whatever that is. Should be British standards, really. So yeah, we've got the Elfbar logo on here, and it says Crystal on there. Elfbar on the front. It's so tiny, I don't think you're going to be able to read any of that. And on that side, Crystal there. And it'll just be the usual affair with this, so we'll give it a go. Right, let's give it a whirl. You don't have to wait any time for this, because it's already loaded with the vaping fluid. So let's give it a try and see what it's like. So it would be like an automatic drag thing. Let's give it a go. Yeah, definitely berries. It's got a really strong sort of fruity smell to it. Very nice. Let's give it another go. Yeah, that's quite nice, that's not too overpowering. Quite fruity. There's a hint of melon, which I'm not too keen on. But it's only slight, so I can put up with that. It lights up at the bottom to show that it's working. Yeah, it's not bad at all. The draw's nice and smooth. There's no straining on it, you know, like sucking your eyeballs into the back of your head. Yeah, it's very, very easy to use. No buttons to press, no settings. Yeah, quite nice that, very smooth. Presumably you get the usual 600 puffs out of this and then it's done. It'll have to be disposed of properly in the recycling. So yeah, that's not bad at all. So it's the Elfbar Crystal CR600. For £2.49, own bargains. I think it's worth a go. Get it off the fags anyway. Right, see you soon with some more videos.